No man is an island, especially when supersizing a business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression today is no man is an island. This is an idiom that's been around since 1624 for sure, when John Donne, an English poet, wrote a meditation about this particular topic. That uh, the poem explains all people are connected. We're all connected as human beings, and that the actions of one has impact and implications for other people. We don't just do something and it only impacts us. A lot of people will say, I can smoke if I want, I can drink if I want because it only impacts me. But does it? Does your behavior not influence other people? All of our behavior does. So I I really love this idiom. It reminds me that we are social beings. Human beings are social, and we need other people in order to create what it is that we want to have, see, be, and do in the world, right? Nobody builds a business on their own. And not, especially not a supersized business. You can grow a business of a certain size, but guess what? You're still not doing it on your own because you need customers, you need suppliers, you need vendors, you need delivery, you need other people to do parts of that business in order to make it work. Even if you have an eBay business and you mail out things that you acquire to people, you still need customers. You still need to get those products from somewhere. And then you have to have, you know, delivery services, either UPS or FedEx or USPS, whatever you happen to choose or use, or wherever you happen to live, to get those products and services to the people that you're serving. So if we think that we can create a business and make the world a better place on our own, we're just fooling ourselves and deluding ourselves. We need help and the synergy from other human beings to create especially great things in the world that make the world a better place. We need resources, we need support, we need accountability. And sometimes, like motivation, accountability comes from within us. That's the best type of motivation and accountability. But sometimes we need outside forces or people or coaches or mentors to hold us accountable to the things that we say that we're going to do and create in the world. So I would love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression. No man is an island. I suppose no man is an island is the politically correct term these days. So whatever you would tweak it to, think of it in terms of that. I would say no person is an island. Nobody's an island. Everybody needs the help of other people to create the life that they want. Uh, that's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and supersize your business right now?